Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange Dia de Muertos pack in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you can get Mexican icon player here. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the quest or challenge the event. So you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the store button at the bottom of your screen. Tap the live events. And this one, the first event here, Dia de Muertos, or the Day of the Dead. So, I want to show you this one. Dia de Muertos, the second one, Dia de Muertos pack. So, you can get this possible reward. For example, this is the legendary Mexican player, Luis Hernandez. He's part of Dia de Muertos icon player. And also you can get this Rafael Marquez, the center back from Mexico, who's played in Barcelona. He's also part of Dia de Muertos hero player. And also you can get this the goalkeeper, Guillermo Ochoa, Dia de Muertos player here also. And also you can also get this, welcome to FC Mobile icon player. If you're not got this player, there are also guarantee reward here. For example, Dia de Muertos player contain a 76 plus OVR Dia de Muertos icon or hero player. And also you can get coins and mixed version player 65 plus. So if you are interested unpack this Dia de Muertos pack, you can do it here in the store. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.